Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm feeling a little bit better. The walking pneumonia is doing really well for me because I am on antibiotics and a whole bunch of other stuff. But then now, I don't know if you could see it, but now I'm like my whole left eye is bloodshot. It's like I popped a blood vessel or something. So I don't know how I'm doing, but what I am doing is making money, and I made around 2,400 plus this week just selling covered calls and cash secured puts. Wheel strategy, that's what I talk about on here, and that's what I like to teach. So let's go into the Discord that is absolutely free so I could go over the plays with you guys that I did. And here we are. And so just starting from yesterday, so I had Tesla covered call plays, one for 425 ending this Friday, and also another one I think at 420 ending this week. And I decided to roll down both of them from 425 to 407.5, and I got 640 bucks for it. And the other one I rolled down to 410 and collected 360. So that already puts me at $1,000. And then I had a whole bunch of extra cash because I let my Coinbase play, my covered call get taken away from me. So I had like $30,000 open, plus all the extra money that I had open from my Nvda calls, as well as any margin that I have, but I don't use margin like that. But then I sold a cash secured put for 375 for Tesla, and it collected another 772 bucks, which put me at 1,772 bucks for the week. So I still had extra money. So yesterday I decided to do a 108 put for Nvda for the end of this week, collected another $131. So that put me up to 1,915 bucks, and I still had a few $1,000s left. So today I decided to do a few plays. So I sold a Palantir cash secured put. I need to fix that PLTR 66 for 2 weeks from now. So 2/7 collected 230 bucks. So that put me up to 2,145 bucks for this week's plays. And then I saw that Tesla dropped pretty far below 400, like 390s. So I decided to roll down the 410 covered call to 405, got paid another 160 bucks, same expiration date. And I noticed I still had another 14K to use. So I decided to sell another cash secured put at 115 for Nvda for this week, collect another 114 bucks. That puts me at a 2,400 plus. I still could roll down my other Tesla play to around 400 bucks, which was right at my cost basis for one of my accounts. I have to see which one it's at, and I could get paid another 100, 200 bucks for that. And then I could do probably one or two other things as well, but I might just decide to stick to the sidelines as well and just decide to not really do anything with the rest of my cash and just wait for the end of the week to collect as much money as possible next week. So this is what I've been personally doing, especially that the market has dipped ever since the DeepSeek AI. I didn't really think it was going to do that much, but it did a pretty big pullback because obviously it's not going to stop companies from buying Nvidia chips. It's not like you still need chips. They're just saying that you don't need the newest chips. I guess that's the sentiment out there. But ultimately, it did some of us a favor where we're able to make good positions or buy back into positions at lower prices before they run up again. So this is something that I'll be watching very closely towards earnings for Nvidia for February, I believe. And February is their earnings. Tesla, I think, is going to be announcing some stuff soon. And guys, this is the wheel strategy. This is how, as long as you're being strategic and you know your risk mitigation, your risk management, you're going to do really well with the strategy as long as you have the cash. Like, you could also check out the Discord. My friend in there that does a lot of his plays, John, he does a lot of credit spreads. These are the ways that you should be building your portfolio, in my opinion, because it gives you a lot of control. You're not just waiting for dividends to hit, or you're not just waiting for the market to fully ride up. Like, yeah, you could do that. It'll take you a little bit longer, but this way, at least you're generating income. And with all the premiums that I'm collecting, I'm putting it towards more stocks that I collect more premiums on, or I put it into a dividend fund like SCHD, or I put it into VOO, something where it will consistently get there. But with right now, while I'm 35, I still believe I'm very young. I'm going to be a little bit like 70-30 riskier side with selling options and then putting all those premiums to work in ETFs, index funds, certain stocks that I feel like is just going to blow up for me in the long run because I do have a longer growth horizon. And that's what I want to teach here. This is what I go over in the Discord. This is what I go over on Instagram, YouTube, everything. So these are things that you just got to look at. And obviously, I'm getting a little bit out of breath talking so much because I am talking a little fast and I still got this walking pneumonia, but this is what it is. I hope you guys learned something. I'm excited for everyone that ends up joining the free Discord. I'm trying to give up as much as the plays as I can for you guys. And if you want to learn more, I got a $5 PDF in the Stand store, which pretty much goes over everything. If you want a little bit more handholding, there is a course in there where you can learn everything that I know, or pretty much everything that I know. And you'll be able to do this all yourself. But obviously, guys, it takes money to make money. And I'm saying that not in the sense of like paying for a course or anything, because you absolutely don't need to, because you could find a lot of the free stuff that I'm teaching here. Just learn it. Watch what I'm doing. Watch what other people are doing. A lot of people are very great here on YouTube, and you can learn it yourself. But it takes money to make money in the sense of the bigger portfolio you have, the more money you're going to make. And right now I'm currently using like $180,000, $200,000 portfolio. And that's what's getting me like $2-3 grand a week, depending on the volatility of the market and the stocks that I'm choosing. So again, none of this financial advice. I really appreciate everyone that watches these videos, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. And hopefully all y'all are feeling way better than I am and keeping safe and healthy, and see you guys very soon. Peace.